How's it going, everyone? Working on a 2007 Honda Odyssey, and as you can see, has 379,000 miles, almost 380. And the customer's complaining about a knocking sound coming from the engine. Now, typically these engines, they have the hydraulic tensioner for the timing belt, and they fail a lot. So I'm gonna show you how you can tell it's failed. And you're gonna hear it's knocking. Usually starts sometimes first thing in the morning. You hear a little knock, it goes away as it warms up, and then as it progressively gets worse, it just keeps knocking. Eventually, if you don't get to it, breaks the tensioner pulley, jumps timing, causes all sorts of issues, bends your valves. So if you start hearing this knocking, you definitely need to address it sooner rather than later. And it's also got a squeak from the belt. Here. Take out the covers and I'll show you tensioner. Alright guys, so I got the cover off already. And you can see, here's the tensioner. And this thing is in really bad shape. Don't forget, this has 380,000 miles. So, normally they don't look this bad. But anyways, so you can see that's the tensioner right there. See it's starting to mushroom. And once we get it out, you'll get a clearer picture of what it looks like. And it damaged this tensioner pulley right over here as well, from all the constant in and out hitting. So let me get it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Time belt tensioner job. Damage the tensioner pulley from the impact right there. Alright, so as you can hear, it sounds a whole lot better. Again, leaking oil everywhere, but the guy's not interested. He just wants it to run for a little bit longer. So that was his main concern. We addressed it. Again, the mileage, 380,000. It's probably not the original tensioner, probably the second or third by now, I would assume, but they do go bad. I've seen them, that was pretty bad, but I've seen them worse. I've seen them to the point where they're completely broken. The piston's out, the spring's out of the tensioner. So if you start hearing a ticking or a knocking in the morning, usually starts in the morning, cold starts, and then it kind of goes away as the car warms up. And eventually it turns into, a consistent or persistent knock. Don't let it get to that point, because, you go from spending a couple $100 to a couple thousand replacing the engine or rebuilding it for bent valves or, etc. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. Have a good one.